Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to enable the grid lines on a Snapchat app using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, I want to say that if you're using Android, don't worry because the process is still the same. Okay, so let's get started. So first, you want to open your Snapchat app. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the plus sign on the left side of your screen. Okay, and once you've done that, just scroll down until you see grid. So get the proportions right using grid. So right now you can see there's this lines on my screen, so that is what you call grid lines. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.